Hi, this is Shweta Luhana here. I'm a decor stylist and an imaginator, but most of all, I am that dream weaver who listens to your story and converts it into a crafted canvas. And here, I welcome you to Serendipity Spaces because every space has a story to share. So today in Serendipity Spaces, we are going to walk through a wedding decor diary. This decor was set up in a resort called Madhuban Resort, situated in Anand, almost like a miniature Bali in Indian context. Now the reason this decor is very interesting is because the groom was a young Sindhi lad who had travelled the world and had a taste about everything which is very minimalist and classy. So when Nilesh told me that he wanted a very minimalistic, classy wedding, yet have that Indian flavor, it got me thinking. My answer to this was to kind of decode and come up with a decor which was almost like a white wedding. So I took my references from architecture, from art, from floral palette, which is only single color. And that's how I wove this white wedding. So let's walk you through this decor diary, which was the little white wedding. Now let's see what were the key aspects of this entire setup. The color white, be it the palette of the entire decor, be it in terms of props as doves dotting various structures right from the mandap backdrop to the arched entry gateways, be it the looped white fabric in the ceiling which created a very dreamy effect, and of course our flowers in various shades of white creating a very beautiful ornamentation across the decor canvas. Reflection, which was created by the use of mirrored floors, be it like the entry walkway of the draped looped tunnel or the aisle walkway leading towards the mandap. Every time a guest walked through the entry or the bride and the groom walked on the aisle leading towards the mandap chauri, a lot of times, many of them felt as if they were walking on water. And that's what created the softness to a setup that was inspired by architectural reinterpretation. And that's what made it very surreal. Quirkiness with a twist. It was a reinterpretation of a Mediterranean setting in an all-white Victorian wedding. So the family dining was designed as a green canopy with oranges filling up the entire ceiling. And people loved this contrast of tangerine as a tinge in a setting that was all green and white. And they loved the fact that fruits which had to be like the flavor of the food and the spread was something that was used as a decor ornamentation element. The ornamentation came in terms of props, doves which were suspended and flying from various structures, rose windows which were inserted in between partitions, marble top tables and ornamented chairs which became a key character of the VIP dining lounge, and a lot of Victorian vases which became the dotted props across the canvas. So what's my takeaway from this little white wedding? I'd like to begin by saying that everybody should dare to dream out of the box. So if I have to sum this entire decor in a little phrase, I would say the little white wedding was like a maze of mysteries, starting right at the entrance, which are like arched gates, walking onto the mirrored walkway with looped fabric ceilings, going on to the mandap, classic white dome, further going on to the family dining with an orange canopy. Every little decor point was like an unveiling of one more wow factor, and that's what the entire journey and the experience of surprise was unfolded. So this decor diary is not just my imagination. Without a fabulous team, it is just a sketch on the paper. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank each one of them who's converted this into a reality. So this is me, Shweta Lohana, signing off Serendipity Spaces with a hope to come back soon with yet another decor diary, restitching one more dream and creating one more setting.